Hello, I am Joelle with Quench AF, where we quench your thirst for health and wellness all day, every day. Now, today, we have a little unboxing of this beautiful Modern Chameleon box. The Modern Chameleon is a New York brand that has boxes, monthly subscription boxes for every month. So in the box, you get a surprise. So let me show you what's in my box. Let's come down a little bit. One more box. Ooh, let's get in there. Oh, okay. Beautiful, beautiful, just nice, clean, this tan and white. Oh. So I've got a few beautiful boxes of matches. I love matches. Same thing in the other one. Box of matches. Then we have a candle. So we have a candle, which I've already burned, but it has a wooden wick. Very different, and it actually does not leave parabens, carcinogens, or anything harmful in your candle. Okay, this is a all natural coconut soy candle. Beautiful. Okay, so we've got that. We've got our matches. We have a little cute little baggie. What's in the cute little baggie? Let's see. Oh, wait. I've got to thank you for your support card. I mean, absolutely beautiful. So nice. So sweet. The Modern Chameleon LLC. www.themodernchameleon.com. I've got a stone that I can take with me, and I feel safe and keeps everything positive. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. And thank you, Modern Chameleon, for that. So in your box, you'll get your candle. Okay. Then you'll get your crystal or your stone. Now let's burn this candle. All right, got it. All right, so that's beautiful. So thank you so much, Modern Chameleon. If you'd like to get this beautiful Modern Chameleon box, it's a monthly subscription of $29.99, and use my discount code Joelle, Joel, so you can get $10 off your first box. How about that? You're welcome.